Okay, good morning all of you. In my Saturday's class for you people, I started new topic that is coordination in life process. Coordination in life process. And I explained, the introduction part and I explained about how smell and taste are related. Okay, what is the importance of tongue in knowing taste, because we have to press the tongue against the palate, and how taste and smell receptors need adaptation time we discussed. And in today's topic, in today's class we look into mouth. What happens here? Mouth. Okay, this mouth acts as a munching machine. You know that intake of food into the body of an organism or intake of food into the mouth is called as ingestion. Intake of food into mouth is called as ingestion. Now when you take food or when you ingest the food, with the help of circular muscles present in the mouth, the food is taken into the oral cavity. After taking into the oral cavity, food undergoes a process called mastication. What does it mean? It means grinding, chewing, shredding, food by mixing with saliva is called mastication. One more question. Grinding, chewing, shredding of food by mixing with saliva. Now, how this mastication process takes place, and what is the use of this mastication process in digestion of food materials, babies? Now, when you take food into the mouth, that is when you ingest the food into the mouth, in our oral cavity, we have majorly three structures. In oral cavity, we have majorly three structures. One is teeth, another one is tongue, another one is salivary glands. These are the three structures which we can find in our oral cavity. Teeth, there are 32 number of teeth, that is in the upper jaw 16, lower jaw 16. Okay, there are majorly four types of teeth are there. They are incisors, canines. Okay, incisors are for cutting food material, canines are for tearing food material, premolars. Okay, premolars and molars. These are for chewing food material. Like these four types of teeth, we can find incisors for cutting, canines for tearing, premolars and molars for the chewing. Okay, now we will see here. If you take, already this explained during digestive system, this portion. This is mouth, upper jaw, lower jaw. We have majorly These are the teeth. In upper jaw 16 we can find, in upper jaw 16, here if you divide the mouth into 4 parts here, upper jaw into 2 parts, lower jaw into 2 parts, you can find 2 canines. Sorry, I think so you are not able to see this. You can find 2 canines, sorry, 2 incisors, 1 canine, 2 premolars, and 3 molars. Okay, like this, in each 1/4 of the mouth, you can find 2 canines which are at the front portion, and incisors for cutting, and canine to tear the flesh like that, and premolars and molars. Premolars are 2 in number, molars are 3 in number. Like this here also. Like this here also. 2, 1, 2, 3. 2, 1, 2, 3. 2, 1, 2, 3. In each part, in each 1/4 part, you can find 2 incisors, 1 canine, 2 premolars, and 3 molars. That is when the dental formula given for the human beings is, the dental formula varies from animal to animal. Please remember that. 2, 1, 2, 3 by 2, 1, 2, 3. 2, 1, 2, 3 by 2, 1, 2, 3. Dental formula in human beings. Okay. Now, we know the function. Incisors are for cutting food. Canines are for tearing food. Premolars and molars are to chew the food, to break the food. When we take the hard one, suppose if you take a piece, what you will do? You can't break it with your incisors. You will take into your sides of the jaw and you put in between the premolars and molars and you crush them. Like that it helps. Premolars and molars helpful in crushing and grinding the food material. Now the thing is, what is the need of these teeth? Whatever the food which we take, if you directly swallow it, what happens? Anyway, it is undergoing digestion due to enzymes in our stomach and intestine. Why? What is the need of this entire thing? Chewing, grinding, mastication. Means here, the important thing is, the teeth helpful in mechanical breakdown of food substances. Mechanical breakdown of food substances. Please remember that teeth helps in mechanical breakdown of food substances. What happens if the mechanical breakdown takes place? Suppose this is the food molecule. Okay, and if you cut down this food molecule into different pieces, okay, each piece is suppose like this. Okay, you know in your mathematics, suppose if you take this, if you measure the surface area of this food thread and first and cut down into pieces and measure the surface area of the each and every piece, and if you clearly observe, you can see that their surface area increased because the cut portions also having surface area here. The surface area increased. When surface area increases, surface area of the food molecule, food substances increases, more enzymes can act on it and food will be digested very easily. If food is swallowed like this, the enzymes can act only on the surface. If it is cut down into several pieces and each and every piece surface is attacked by the enzymes. Like that, more enzymatic action and easy digestion. To facilitate easy digestion by providing more surface area, teeth are helpful by breaking down the food particles into smaller size. Now, we have an experiment regarding this. In your textbook, we have an experiment. Chickpeas and vinegar experiment. Chickpeas and vinegar. Take one chickpeas. Okay, break it into two pieces. Take one chickpeas, break it into two pieces like this. Break it into two pieces and take a glass bottle or plastic bottle. Okay, they have given, take a plastic bottle, cut it into two halves. Okay. Otherwise, we can make use of beakers which are of equal size and fill it with vinegar. Same amount of the vinegar in both the wires, and into the first beaker, keep the chickpeas which you cut, one piece of chick here, but in second beaker, you crush the remaining half part of the chickpeas into smaller bits, crush them and pour the powder. Crush them and pour the powder or crushed pieces. Crush it. And wait for some time. You know that chickpeas, it is made of calcium carbonate, lime, it is made of lime. Vinegar is nothing but acetic acid. When you keep this, this is a base, vinegar is the acid. When you keep base in the form of chickpeas in that acid, immediately acid and base start to react. Okay, in both the cases reaction starts, but if you clearly observe, reaction means here you can see that the dissolving of chickpeas in the vinegar. If you clearly observe, the broken pieces of chick very fastly reacts than that of the chickpeas, because this chickpeas has only one surface area, but each and every piece has its surface area to react with the acid. That is, the reaction process completes very fastly here than that of the chickpeas one. Okay. In the same manner, if you break down the food molecules, food substances, with the help of teeth, the surface area of the food substance increase. When the surface area of the food substance increases, automatically there is more scope for enzymatic action. Okay, enzymes which can digest the food material, they will have more surface area and they attack more and more. That facilitates easy digestion process for them. Okay, this is about what we call the importance of mechanical breakdown of food substances. Mechanical breakdown of food substances facilitates increased surface area, which is useful for easy digestion. Because of increased surface area, enzymes will get more surface area to react with the food molecules. That is why we have teeth. And for this grinding and chewing, we have surface muscles here near the jaw surface muscle. These surface muscles and circular muscles in the mouth helpful in grinding and chewing the food material. And the surface muscles, sides of the jaw, the surface muscles which are present, they are more helpful in grinding. And you remember that only our lower jaw is movable. Upper jaw we cannot move. Upper jaw is immovable, lower jaw is movable. Okay. While eating you can observe yourself which jaw is moving. Okay. Thank you. This is about importance of teeth. In next class we discuss about importance of the tongue, importance of the salivary glands. Okay. Thank you.